Engines humming in the morning light, green lanes waking up the coast so bright, badges shining, mud on every wheel, brotherhood of steel you can feel. From cliffs to lanes where the seagulls cry, we're lining up as the sun climbs high. Keys turn over, radios chime, Falmouth Land Rover Club, roll out time. We're rolling, rolling 4x4 through Cornwall's heart to the ocean shore. From town to town, wherever we roam, every mile brings us closer to home. Rolling, rolling, engines run till the day is done, and the ride's been won through wind and rain or sunshine above. Rolling home to Falmouth with love. Stagnus greets us by the hill, 10 mile shadows standing still. Locals wave as we rumble through old roads telling stories new. Down the coast where the surfers ride, pair and forth with the sea so wide. Salt in the air, sand on the breeze, tires singing Cornish harmonies. We're rolling, rolling 4x4 through Cornwall's heart to the ocean shore. From town to town, wherever we roam, every mile brings us closer to home. Rolling, rolling, engines run till the day is done, and the ride's been won through wind and rain or sunshine above. Rolling home to Falmouth with love. Through Truro streets by the river bend, cathedral bells as the engines send a steady beat through stone and time. Old world roots and modern lines, Penryn calls with a working past, granite walls and a future cast, harbor lights and a faithful view. Every road feels tried and true. It's not just steel, it's the stories we share, breakdowns fixed and laughter there. Every scratch and muddy scar is proof of who we really are. We're rolling, rolling 4x4 past the docks and the familiar shore. Falmouth waits as the sun dips low, final stretch of the convoy flow. Rolling, rolling, engines slow, headlights glow as the tide comes in slow. From start to end, one family, Falmouth Land Rover Club, wild and free. Engines quiet, the day's complete, mud on boots and tired feet. Same roads tomorrow, same old crew. Wherever there's a track, we're coming through. There's frost on the bonnet, lights glow red and green, engines waking up in the cold Cornish morning scene. From Falmouth Harbour out to country lanes, old defenders rumble, shaking off the rain. Wreaths on the grills and tinsel on the sides, kids waving from the gateways as we roll on by. Oh, it's the Christmas convoy, hear the diesels roar. Falmouth Land Rover Club, rolling around Cornwall shores, through villages and valleys, past the moorland snow, spreading Christmas cheer everywhere we go. From two-row lights to Helston town, through muddy tracks where the sun goes down. Series 1s and 90-10s, every badge tells stories, every scratch a friend. Hot flash steaming, laughter in the air. Santa hats pull low beneath the winter stare. Oh, it's the Christmas convoy, bumpers shining bright, headlights cutting through the long December night. From the cliffs to the lanes where the church bells chime, driving goodwill 1 mile at a time. Horns sound out across the bay, 1,000 twinkling lights lead the way. For charity, for friendship, for the love of the road. Convoy knows the sound when the Land Rovers go. Yeah, it's the Christmas convoy, round the coast and home. Falmouth Land Rover Club never rides alone. Mud on the tires, stars overhead, Christmas in Convoy, painted Land Rover red. So here's to the drivers, the cold and the cheer. We'll see you next Christmas, same lane, same gear.